Good afternoon. We're here in Phoenix. Fire loss. Not sure if you can see the hole up there in the roof. We'll walk inside here. This was an electrical fire that started in the kitchen, migrated its way into the attic, and then just spread throughout the rest of the home. As you can see right here, that's where it started and traveled in. Fortunately, everybody did make it out safely. That is first and foremost the most important thing. Everything else you see here can be rebuilt. We're just getting ready to start demo this week. This is a block exterior, so we will be basically taking it down to the block. Everything else will be gone. Full rebuild here. We are pleased to be able to have the opportunity to rebuild this home and get these homeowners back to life as normal. Definitely will be posting some progress video and photos as we move along here. But again, just thankful everybody made it out safely and it didn't add any more tragedy, if you will, to an already tragic situation. Stay tuned.